well.
Hello.
Here we are. We're doing something very, very interesting and different.
Completely different, isn't it? Someone's let the livestock boys loose in a big massey tonight.
Fucking no tag.
We're having a bit of go on a tractor run, aren't we?
We are indeed. There is a tractor run, Christmas one, raising money.
All for charity.
What is the charity?
It's O2E.
O2E.
Which is a children's charity. So we're going to hop on board, aren't we, and have a bit of fun.
Yeah. And yeah, we'll put the link in and send some money over.
Send
Any
lots
donation counts.
That's the one. Raring to go.
Here we go.
There's a lovely turnout of tractors here. It's unbelievable.
There is indeed. Can't turn it around, so I can't show you. There you go. We're doing like that. Marvellous. We're off. We're on the roads. Here we go.
Yeah, boy!
He's driving a fucking tractor.
Who would fucking think it?
tractor run this is. Unbelievable. How you finding the tractor driving?
Get me to the pub, come on!
Here we are. Where are we, Luke?
We're just coming into the end of the line, Wadhurst High Street. It's been an incredible run. There's just been so many people about. It's such a fantastic thing to be part of, you know. It's a highlight of Christmas. It's all about raising money for charity, especially the charity we're raising for is all kids and children and whatnot. But yeah, it's look at all the people. It's incredible. It really is. Here you go.
I love it!
Look at this, boys. Jeez.
Had a good night.
It's been fucking amazing. Honestly, the tractor run tonight, top dollar. They have raised a lot of money.
Had a good bit of fun, haven't we?
We have. And they have raised a lot of money for a charity, and it's been a great cause and we've had a lot of fun. And yeah, right, we are pissed, but fuck it. You live and you learn.
We've raised a lot of money for a children's charity, O2E, brilliant cause. On to the next one.
Donate. That's the last one.
Wind up on the pitch. Play ball. Get me to the